Toyota Corolla.
Much like the Honda Civic, one of its main competitors, the Corolla's popularity is built on its reliability, practicality, cheap cost, and exceptional safety record. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety gave the Toyota Corolla its Top Safety Pick award, and it is hard not to see why, with features such as Toyota's Star Safety System, and no less than 10 standard airbags.
Mazda CX-30.
One of the best and safest available on the market today is the Mazda CX-30. It was introduced in 2019 and designed on the platform of the Mazda 3 sedan. Being a small SUV based on a sedan platform, the CX-30 is quite agile for an SUV, which is helped by its standard four-wheel drive. The Insurance Institute for Highway Safety gives the Mazda CX-30 perfect scores across the board and awarded it the designation Top Safety Pick.
Honda Civic. Popularity has come about for many reasons: practicality, fuel efficiency, reliability, and low cost. Also, safety has always been a major standout factor, and the 2022 Honda Civic continues the tradition. Honda totally redesigned the Civic for the 2022 model year, and the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety gives the car a perfect safety rating in all categories. Honda Odyssey has an excellent safety rating in all categories. When it comes to transporting a lot of passengers, there is nothing quite like a minivan. Notably, minivan owners might also be some of the most safety-conscious car owners out there, because by and large, they are probably transporting their children around in the van.
In the case, one of the safest minivans available new in 2022 is the Honda Odyssey.